So we have completed one class, but I will give you the review, something like what we are discussing in this class, what we will cover. Okay.
Okay. It's a demo class too, no? Today, demo?
Demo yesterday also, day before yesterday also demo completed, but I will tell you demo today also.
Oh, okay. The demo link you can share me later.
Yeah, yeah, I will share that. Okay. So what we will cover in this course? So this is a welcome DURGASOFT. So Git and GitHub classes. So this is the level one beginner. So what we will cover? We'll cover Git and GitHub in this course. So myself, I'm a Hari Cheruku. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect with 12 plus years of industry experience as a real-time employee, and I'm a trainer. So I'm a passionate about the teaching also. So I have done few certifications. I'm a ITL V3 certified. I'm a Red Hat certified system administrator, and I'm a certified Linux engineer and AWS certified solution architect associate also. And I am a certified Kubernetes administrator. Okay. So what we will cover in this course? So agenda introduction to Git and GitHub, uses of Git user interface, command line usage of a Git towards to advanced usage, prerequisites, none guys. Everyone can learn this because of nowadays developer or a QA engineer, anyone in industry, they are using the Git to store the data. So for example, if it is a DevOps engineer, so for the automation purpose, the Terraform or something like that, Kubernetes, Jenkins, all the all the code, automation code will be stored under the Git or GitHub, the GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket or whatever it may be. Okay, so the no the prerequisites are not so, but pay attention, but pay attention. Okay. Yeah. So what we will cover in this course, so the goals and objectives at the end of this class, you should know how to get started with GitHub, be able to work with Git repositories, find information and support to learn more. Okay. So module one, introduction to version control system. What is version control system? Types of centralized versus distributed version control system. So benefits of version control, introduction to Git, history of Git and GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. So module 2 will discuss about the Git installation and the configuration. So installing Git on Windows, Linux, Mac, basic Git configurations, Git GUI tools versus command line tools, means VS Code, Eclipse, so how we can use it. So module 3 is Git basics, creating a Git repository, cloning a repository, Git directory structure, checking status, adding files, committing changes, so viewing history, and working with branches, understanding the branches, creating a branch, switching a branch, merging a branch, conflict resolution. So deleting the branches, we'll discuss Git workflow and collaboration, the remote branches, how we can push the code, pull the code, fetch the code, forking, pull request. Okay, upstream repositories, undoing and resetting, how we can check out, how we can restore, reset, revert, stashing, get clean, we'll discuss the tags and releases, and get advanced tools, get rebase, get cherry pick, get hooks, get ignore, and get attributes, we'll discuss, get with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, creating a repositories on GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, SSH configuration, collaborator access, issues, projects, and actions. Okay, so the real-time scenarios also will discuss Git workflow strategies, Git flow, GitHub flow, team collaboration practices, Git in DevOps pipelines, Git aliases and productivity tips, so security in Git. So we'll discuss these all in this course. So yeah, understood, Rajesh? Hello,
Yeah, Hari? Yeah?
understood, right? What we are
Yeah,
discussing
yeah.
in this course,
Yeah.
right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Able to understand, right? Yeah, 6th October. And, so
You will teach in command line and GitHub cloud repository. There you will teach both.
yes, 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 yes. So that cloud and yeah, if we go to the remote recording, right, you will understand. So what is the GitHub? How we can pull the repository. So this is my, for example, GitHub repository. Okay. So how we can create the repositories, how we can clone the repositories. I will show you once. Yeah. So GitHub, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Prerequisites are none. So duration is 5 days from Monday to Friday, right? So this was started Tuesday, and there is no class on Wednesday. So one class is completed. This is the second class, and we'll share two recording videos. Those are related to FAQs. And the trainer is Hari, 12 plus years of experience. Class timings are 9 a.m., 9 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST. So what we will provide? We will provide the soft copy, class notes, and recorded videos will share via Google Drive. So what we have completed up to GitHub. So who developed GUI tools? So we have completed, right, Parni?
Yeah, Hari, just a basic overview, like the history of it and
Yeah.
everything was covered.
Rajesh, understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, the video was already uploaded on YouTube also. I think
Mm, yes, yes, yes.
you
The
can find it.
last two class.
The last one.
Last one class,
Actually,
one class
yesterday the
only.
call was not there. The class was not happened. Tuesday the call happened. So you can find it on YouTube also, elaborately.
Okay.
Yeah. So we discussed up to Git GUI tools, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, Azure Repo, and AWS Port. One we can do. Rajesh, you can watch the recording today.
Okay.
Okay. So we can start from tomorrow. Aparna, is it good for you?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Because
If
of,
Rajesh,
right, if he
yeah,
doesn't know,
Parni,
right?
yeah, that is fine.
Yeah. So Rajesh, you can watch the demo recording. You didn't get the demo recording, huh?
No, no, I didn't get.
You can check with the Durgasoft team, maybe, Harish.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or else let
It's
me check.
already uploaded in YouTube. I have seen that.
Okay. Can you show me that in YouTube?
Uh,
Yeah, this is the one. We already uploaded in the YouTube, huh? Yeah, this is the one,
yeah, Hari,
Rajesh.
it is uploaded. I have watched it.
You watched it, huh?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I pasted in the chat, Rajesh.
Okay.
So you can watch today, Rajesh, and then we can start with tomorrow. Hmm? Otherwise, if you know, right, one class is completed. We almost.
Okay.
So yeah, we have completed up to Git GUI tools. You can watch this recording today, Rajesh. So then we'll start from tomorrow.
Tomorrow 9 to
9
10
to 10
tomorrow.
only. The class will be 9 to 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now
Are you
can I
working
continue
employee?
my
Are you?
work?
Sorry.
No, no. Can I continue this class?
Yes, yes, you can continue this class or something like. So you can watch that recording, then you will understand. Because of today, I want to do the setup things, how to set up the that GitHub and Git and GitHub. So if you hear that, if you watch that recording, right, you will understand what I am telling. Something like what is repository, what is Git, what is GitHub,
Okay,
right?
okay.
So what I am saying
Yeah, yeah.
is, today you can watch the recording. From tomorrow onwards, I will take the class from second class.
Okay, okay. No, no, this Git setup and all I did already in my system for practice, but I
Okay, you
don't know the
already.
yeah, I don't know the proper flow.
That's the
So,
reason. That's the reason. So we have a proper flow how to do Git setup and everything. Right, you see branch, local repository, environment setup, how to download the Git, how to install the Git, how to register and log in the GitHub account, how to log in GitHub account, generate the token, and how we can use the first verify the first email address. Then on local mission, so Git uses the section what is working directory, what is staging area, what is local repository, right? So I will discuss this everything in the my classes. So on the
okay,
proper setup. Understood?
okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. So will you cover DevOps also in another class? Another,
no, no, no. I will not cover DevOps.
I want to learn DevOps also.
You can reach out to DURGASOFT team.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah. In the other class, we will
oh,
discuss
okay,
about the AWS DevOps.
okay,
Okay. Yeah. So
okay, sir. Okay,
we'll discuss something like what is a working
okay,
directory. Proper execution will be there, Rajesh. Step by step, we will discuss in the 5 classes.
okay,
Okay. The working area, flow of Git changes, and Git clone. What is Git clone? What is Git pull?
okay,
Git remote? Git push. So how to add the code to the local repository. So this is the last class, 6th October 2025, last batch. Okay. So we will discuss each and everything. No worries. Whatever we committed in the nine, right, modules, right? I will discuss all these things. So today what you can do is you can read that, you can watch that demo. From tomorrow onwards, we will start from the second class. Demo
okay,
itself having a first class. That's the reason I am asking you to watch it again today.
okay.
Hari,
Okay.
one
Hmm.
question.
No
Like
problem.
to learn these CI/CD tools, right?
Hmm.
So what are the prerequisites? Like,
Yeah, it's going on. My batch is going on Docker Jenkins with Kubernetes. So in that I will cover the CI/CD part.
okay,
Aparna.
okay,
So
that's
I'm
it.
Yes, 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 yes. Here I'm teaching Linux with Ansible. Okay, 7 p.m. Okay,
Okay,
Docker with Kubernetes, Jenkins, Docker. CI/CD, you will understand what is CI/CD, what is microservice architecture here in this Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. This is from 8 p.m.
so
So Git from
if
9 p.m.
someone wants to learn CI/CD, we should know Docker and Kubernetes as well.
No, 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 no. It's just a microservice architecture because of nowadays everyone is the every industry, all the applications are deployed through that containers, right?
Correct.
Microservice architecture. So for that purpose, people can understand what is a Docker, what is a Kubernetes, how it deploys through Jenkins CI/CD. So CI/CD, what is CI/CD? CI/CD is nothing but a continuous integration and continuous deployment.
Deployment. Correct.
Deployment, right? How we can
Correct.
deploy our applications through pipelines. So
Okay.
before we did manually, how we can automate this deployment process because of the Agile came into the picture, right? The waterfall model
Correct.
and the Agile
Correct. Correct.
methodology. Agile methodology comes the sprint, right? The sprint comes. So the sprint
Correct.
will deploy in 15 days.
Correct.
So every 15 days we need to deploy the application. This is the repeatable task, right? How we can automate? Why do you want? So how we can automate this process?
But
That is a CAC.
normally in a real time life, that is like a one step process. Like it's anyone can do if the setup is known. Am I correct?
I didn't get you what you are telling.
I mean to say, for to
తెలుగైనా
automate.
పర్లేదు మాట్లాడండి.
ఓకే. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆటోమేట్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ ఒక సెట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాసెస్ డాక్యుమెంట్‌ని ఫాలో అయితే ఎవరైనా చేయొచ్చా? దానికి నాలెడ్జ్ అవసరం ఉందా అని నా క్వెషన్.
So if you don't know the ABCD, how you can write the Aparna?
ఓకే.
Rajesh, you are from Telugu, huh?
లేదు అవును నేను తెలుగు అండి. అయితే ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
నేను బెంగళూరు.
Bangalore working?
బెంగళూరు.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you're working as a tester, engineer, developer.
నేను PL/SQL డెవలపర్.
Okay, PL/SQL developer. Okay. So I am also working from Bangalore, but I'm living in Hyderabad only, Rajesh.
ఓకే.
So this next week or next. So I will be there in November 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th in Bangalore.
ఓకే అండి. ఓకే.
Where are you living?
I live near to Maneti Tech Park, Kalyan Nagar, Maneti Tech Park.
Mm-hmm.
But I
So my
work for
company is located at Madiwala, Koramangala, Silk Board, BTM layout. Madiwala only. The Type Swami temple is there, right?
Rama,
Mm,
Bypass temple is there and Rama temple also is there.
that underpass.
Yeah. But I
Underpass
work
with
in
those.
electricity. I work in electricity.
You worked in electronics.
ఇది బ్యాచ్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి జెన్కిన్స్‌ది?
Jenkins నవంబర్ 7 తర్వాత నేను బెంగళూరు వెళ్ళి వచ్చిన తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి.
ఓకే. అది ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటుంది?
1 month 30 days. Docker,
ఓహ్!
Kubernetes and Jenkins.
అంటే ఇది బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ వాళ్ళదా? అంటే అసలు ఏం ఐడియా లేదు నాకు ఇది. బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ వాళ్ళదా ఇది?
యాక్చువల్గా nowadays developer needs to know about the CI/CD everything. ఎందుకంటే మా
అవునవును.
కంపెనీలో ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ రిలీజ్ ఇంజనీర్.
హుహు.
సో డెవలపర్స్ కూడా డెవలప్మెంట్ స్టేజింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వరకు వాళ్ళే చూస్తారు. దే నీడ్ టు నో రైట్ హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ద
అవునవును.
డాకర్, హౌ టు పుష్ ద డాకర్ టు ఆర్టిఫాక్టరీ, హౌ టు డిప్లాయ్ ద కోడ్, Kubernetes. You need to must and should you need to know that microservice architecture, the Kubernetes or something. Just awareness. So what is a
ఓకే.
pod, what is a node, something like how you can check it. Just ISAD. So
ఓకే.
developers closely work with CI/CD.
ఓకే.
So DevOps is nothing but a development team and operation team work together and automate the process. So up to integration. For example, మీరు కోడ్ రాసి కోడ్ జార్ వేర్ క్రియేట్ చేసే వరకు కూడా సో డెవలపర్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ కరెక్ట్. యూ
అవును.
కెన్ యూజ్
తర్వాత
మావెన్ టూల్ టు బిల్డ్ ద.
అవి
సో
యాహ్!
వీటందరినీ ఎలా ఆటోమేట్ చేస్తారనేది CI/CD.
ఓకే. 1
ఓకేనా?
మంత్ ఇది కూడా ఒక 10 డేస్ కోర్స్ అయితే చూద్దాం అనుకున్నాను.
లేదు అంటే మీకు CI/CD కావాలి, జెన్కిన్స్ కావాలంటే యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ దట్ ప్రజెంట్ బ్యాచ్.
ఇప్పుడుందా ఇంకో బ్యాచ్ ఓన్లీ జెన్కిన్స్?
ఓన్లీ జెన్కిన్స్ కాదు, ఆల్రెడీ నడుస్తుంది కదా క్యూబర్నెటిస్ డాకర్ జెన్కిన్స్. దాంట్లో వాళ్ళని అడగండి దుర్గాసాఫ్ట్ టీమ్. ఐ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఓన్లీ జెన్కిన్స్, ఐ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఓన్లీ జెన్కిన్స్, కెన్ ఐ యాడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ గ్రూప్ అని ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ అని అడగండి.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు అది ఎన్ని రోజులైందో అది? ఏమన్నా వాళ్ళని అడిగితే చెప్తారేమో.
నేనే అండి అది చెప్పేది.
మీరేనా? ఓకే.
మీకు చూపించాను కదా ఇప్పుడే.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
సో లైనెక్స్, జెన్కిన్స్, గిట్ ఈ 3 నేను 7, 8, 9 నేనే చెప్తాను.
ఓకే. బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు. ఓకే.
బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ ఉన్నాయి. సో
లినక్స్
ఐ స్టార్ట్.
లినక్స్ యాన్సిబుల్ ఒక బ్యాచ్, అట్లాగా జెన్కిన్స్ డాకర్ కుబర్నెట్స్ అది వేరే బ్యాచ్.
అది ఒక వేరే బ్యాచ్. జెన్కిన్స్, క్యూబర్నెటిస్, డాకర్ అండ్ గిట్ గిటబ్ ఒక బ్యాచ్.
క్లౌడ్ ఎవరైనా చెప్పించారా? క్లౌడ్ AWS అండ్ అజూర్
చెప్తాను. AWS కూడా
మీరే చేశారా?
సో ఓకే రాజేష్, ఈ రోజు వినండి అది అపర్ణ రాజేష్. సో విల్
Okay.
కంటిన్యూ ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో. సో ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్ విల్ టేక్ సాటర్డే సండే ఆల్సో.
Okay.
ఓకేనా
Okay.
మీకు? అంటే కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం 3-4 days.
ఓవరాల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్స్ ఎన్ని అవర్స్ పడుతుంది దీనికి కంప్లీట్ గిట్ అండ్ గిట్
ఇది 5-6 అవర్స్ పడుతుందండి.
6 hours. ఓకే.
ఒక 2 days లో అయిపోతుందా? మాకు
అయిపోతుంది
కావాలని.
మీకు. అంటే
మాకు
సాటర్డే సండే కావాలి, నేను 2-3 days లో కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి అంటే, సో సాటర్డే సండే పెట్టుకొని కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం.
నాకు ఓకే. మీకు ఓకేనండి రాజేష్ గారు?
ఓకే. టైం చెప్పండి సాటర్డే సండే ఈవినింగ్ టైం.
ఈవినింగా మార్నింగా?
ఈవినింగ్ బెటర్ అండి.
ఈవినింగ్ బెటర్గాను. అంటే మార్నింగ్
ఓకే.
ఆఫీస్ ఈవినింగ్ అటెండ్ అయింది 9 గంటలు అంటే కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది మాకు.
సాటర్డే సండే ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ సాటర్డే సండే రాజేష్.
ఎనీ టైం ఓకే. ఎనీ టైం మీన్స్
ఎనీ టైమ్
ఆఫ్
ఇస్ ఓకే ఫర్ యూ, రైట్?
ఎనీ టైం ఓకే.
అపర్ణ, వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ?
నాకు ఈవినింగే కావాలి. నాకు కిడ్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో వాళ్ళని మార్నింగ్ బిజీ ఉంటాను నేను.
ఓకే. సో ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే ఫర్ యూ, రైట్ రాజేష్, ఫర్ ఈవినింగ్?
ఓకే. 3 PM 4 PM అట్లా చెప్పండి.
సరే. సో విల్ సో 3-5 చెప్పుకుందాం సాటర్డే సండే, 4 hours కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది.
ఈ సాటర్డే 5 తర్వాత ఓకేనండి మీకు రాజేష్?
ఓకే అండి.
5 to 8 5 to 7 గానీ.
2 hours is enough.
5 to 7 ఓకే అనుకుంటున్నా నేను.
సరే 5 to 7 చెప్తాం. సో రేపు ఉంటుంది, రేపు 9 to 10. సో సాటర్డే సండే విల్ కంప్లీట్ ఇట్ 2 hours 2 hours.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
ఓకే అండి. ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
థ్యాంక్స్.